Welcome to NorthStar. Which one of the following techniques would most likely be used to analyze reductions in the time required to perform a task as experience with that task increases? Which means that if the laborer is performing the same task repeatedly, which of the following technique would be used to analyze that? The correct answer would be learning curve analysis. Under learning curve analysis, if the laborer performs the same task repeatedly or produces the same product repeatedly, the average time required to perform the task or to finish the product constantly reduces. Let's take an example. If a learning curve is 90% and for making the first unit, a laborer requires 10 hours. So if we double it, so for making 2 units, the labor would require 10 multiplied by 2 units with 90% learning curve, so multiplied by 90%. So it would require 18 hours to make 2 units. On an average, the first unit required 10 hours, 1 unit, but here 2 units on an average required 9 hours per unit. Similarly, if we double this, it would become 18 hours, so 18 hours multiplied by 2 whole multiplied by 90%. It would be how much? So 18 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 90%, it requires 32.40 hours in total for 4 units. So on an average divided by 4, on an average it needs 8.10 hours per unit. So if the laborer is performing the same task or manufacturing the same product repeatedly, the average time required per unit constantly reduces. So the correct answer, like I said, is learning curve analysis. Thank you.